Hello my friends, today we are making a super easy chicken soup noodle recipe with Yu Choy. We have 6 stems of Yu Choy. We are going to cut them. 3 cups of water. Bring to a boil on high heat. And I have dried noodles, leftover chicken breast from yesterday. We are going to cut them, and some garnishing, cilantro and green onions. I also have chicken broth mix, about a tablespoon, sesame oil, and freshly ground black pepper. So keep on watching and follow along. Cook for 2 minutes. After a minute and a half, add the Yu Choy and the chicken. Cook for half a minute, and our chicken noodle soup is done. Delicious. Turn the heat off. It's time to serve. Set aside. Now my favorite part is serving the yummy chicken noodle soup. This is for my husband, by the way. He is hungry. Look at that healthy noodle soup. It's time to garnish our yummy chicken noodle soup. I have some cilantro and cut up onions, green onions as well. You can add as much as you like if you wish. And about a tablespoon of sesame oil, freshly ground black pepper. It's up to you how much you want. Yummy soup. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you learned something today. It is so easy to do. If you're very hungry, just boil water. If you have any leftover meat and any vegetables in your fridge, you may have already. Bon appetit. Do you want to eat now?
Sure. Thank you, darling.